Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, so on occasions to occasions, let's just take a look on a few areas here. So, this is when we mean hiring, of course, hiring full times IT and a website designer. So the person must be able to design or build this website here, this on Fanas Bank. This bank software versions, and this is the website right there. The person must be able to must know how to build the website and or any other IT service or IT techs service they must be able to offer as well. And then that's by designing, and then at least hours of work is 40 hours per weekly. And then yes, you can of course start from anywhere you stay or wherever you, if you want, in the branch management here you can also do, or from work from home is also fine. But your time there you can calculate how many hours you are working. 40 hours is recommended. That is any times from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every times, or night shift. That is up upon your capability, because it's a website management, and any times even from your home or in branch managements. And then we will it will cost, of course it will cost $0 to any raising of that rewards. So you can raise till you raise the rewards, and then you will be able to get rewards. So the business is starting from $0. We are offering $0 to build the website. As a webmaster, that is, you are volunteering to build the website, and then any amount you may raise, that will be your personal profit or rewards, and then for which you can invest them. It's like your own start, and then it's your own website like that. And then let's build our teams. So that is the criteria and the other there we have towards that website. And then if you look here, the resume details are all can be found on the social medias. Okay, we have that is the hiring. We have a web designer right there, hiring of course full times, and then we have it advertised, and then the job number is right there. So this page here is ours, and then we did not really put it on the job banks, but the information you can link it, you can have it. We are on Indeed, okay? We are on Indeed, okay? We have Indeed area where we have this job posting is arranged last times. So because job bank has their contract, and that the contract they have is that's the number with the job bank. So if you want, you drop the resume direct to my inbox or to our social media. You can apply direct on LinkedIn, so it will be very necessary there. You can find is necessary. So job bank is offering how much money they're expecting, whatever how much you raise from $0. Your hourly rates, which is from 40 hours, is ranging from $32 hourly to $35 for 35 hours, and then 5 hours maybe you get a break. Okay, on each days, that is each days you have your break 5 hours. That is like 40 hours. So okay, so the responsibilities and then education is a bachelor degrees, and then your experience is at least 7 months or less than 7 months. That is fine, or starting is fine. As the job setting is if you're whatever you're willing to relocate, that is fine. If you don't relocate, working from home is fine, in the branch is fine. Otherwise all the details are right there. You read it yourself, and until you get certified. And then additional information is this one attached right there. That's that. And then that's this one here. That's that one there for the benefits. So criteria 1, criteria 2, And then for our logos, the company logos, where can we get, can I get the company logos? Yeah, the company logos can be found on LinkedIn or Twitter or Facebooks. Okay, of course, that is hiring full times. And then the job descriptions itself, the job descriptions on the IT sections, that is the IT based sections. And then this one here is the website designer base, this website designer base. And then this one here is the IT job descriptions base, that is manager IT informations. So for the IT, that is the information to details. And you can hold the whole thing right there by going to via our link, or wherever we have Facebooks, there you hold it there, you can be able to read via through that. And for the area of Sudan, this is Sudan, of course, Sudan 1884 to Sudan 2023. This is the Sudan people won right there. So you can see this is Somalia, and then this is Atlantic, and this is Indian Oceans. You can see this crossing right there is a railway line. Okay, that is a railway line from this port here to that port there. This is Sudan. Okay, 1812. So Sudan 2023. And then is a copyright no war. Of course, Sudan we need 2023, and that is Sudan we need 2023. For where can we find South Sudan? If you ask us, and then it can be found around this black line there, right there, and then right there only, and then it's right there in the middle is isolated now. And this area which you are seeing red here is belong to Sudan. Sudan take it over during the civil war. That's why for which we created the seventh. And if you want, we have the copyright. If this is not the legit, this is the legit copyright as the Sudan. Okay, so that's the Sudan. This is Khartoum. This is Juba. This is Darfur. This is Chad. This is Central Sudan. Okay, nothing there, no difference, no nothing. So overview to overview. So we said Sudanese began South Sudan isolations since Sudan civil war broke out at the Sudan capitals. Mean the war was made to lay off South Sudan revenue and to hire Sudan back. That is all that we did right there. And if you look on the portfolio, South Sudan cannot be longer found on the world map event. Whatever you open world map, they cannot be found. Whatever you see Africa cannot be found, cannot be located, is no more there. So that is the disasters we only have right there on occasions to that one. Otherwise, to that attachments, that is that attachments. For the job details, okay, so let's try to look here for the job details. For the job details, what do they really want on the job details? On the job details, this is what is required. A resume samples must look like this branch manager's resume. This is for the branch manager, the resume of the branch manager. So it must look like that. The sample resume, you write it like that. This is a cover letter and is a called a resume at the same time, because they have references, which is your university, which year you completed your university, your first experience from the other jobs, and then what post you were having, and then detailing all your experience, work experience. So that is what we called resume. So that is sample resumes from that one. Otherwise, that is to do and to say briefly on the area of that one there. Otherwise, that is the if you are a web designer, and then of course these logos we have it right there. You can print, you can design your own badge like this, like what I have right there, your own badge, and then on which you can also use that map right there. Yeah, you can check it, that map right there. You can design it. If you want, the back will be like this. That's how the back of that logo, your badge must look like. And then how you choose it, I don't know. If you want it this way, that's fine. And if you want it the other one, like this, is also fine. You want it like that. That is the front, and that is the old batch we were having. Okay, so we were having like that the old batches. Okay, so that was our old batch. So this is our new batches. Okay, so this is to do with our new batch, and that's the old batch. So and if you want the front and the front and the back to be like this, that is also fine. You use like this. That's how you can design the badge itself. And then for your salaries, if you are the web designer or the branch manager, you have the applications. Of course, we have a check samples. Those are the checks. You have them on your, you can upload them onto your computer by going to those app site. You go to the app, okay, and then you get a app, or you get a QuickBooks, or you get a simple accounting, and then you get those checks, and then you print, you print the check every week. If you have work 40 hours, and then you can now print the check every week. You print the check, a value of your hourly rate is like let's say you've been having your time calculated there. You work 40 hours per week, and then you're gonna write the checks. This is like 120,000 I'm making a year, because it's not easy to get the ink and anything like that. And then you want to print the check once, and then you can print 5 checks. 120,000, 120,000, you print 5 checks, that is 1 year. And then you put them right there. This month you take it there, you check it. That man, you take it there, you check it. The other man, you check it there, you check it. That's all you do. And then you have your 5 checks backup, because there is a calculation for your vehicle, for other thing expenses and other things. That is 5 check you print there, and then that's all, boom, you are done. Otherwise, if it's hourly, and then it's I think that is less than $60 per hours. Mostly, if it's to be negotiated, whatever you do not call, whatever you call, and that is the least money we know we will have right there, because this is a check samples right there. And then if you have your QuickBook or simple accounting, that is 1, 2, 3 easy way. And you have your badge, your work badge. Of course, you have your times at work. You are working from home, and then you have your 40 hours. Boom, you are done. You print the check, and then you have your 120,000 dollars deposited in the bank or into your bank account, and then you have your money already settled there and then. So that is just to do with it, that one there. On the area of this one, LGBTQ, that is a section of that one there. Uh, so someone was trying a wrong area, that this one here is not applicable. So we are helping some area, such as if you try, this one doesn't work, doesn't apply very much. So this area here, LGBTQ, doesn't work at workplace. So we are saying this is workplace safety. So most African leaders, they are bothering these people. They are saying, what is this one doing? Because the guy in Africa is a guy from Africa. They use social media to post wrong files. They are making social medias very scary. Papers very scary. They have strange issues to publish. So now they are thinking this is not a good. So if people react to them, and then they say we don't want such kind of papers, those people who post this kind of paper, they are thinking this kind of groups who doesn't use their paper on the social media, YouTube's, Facebook's, which has not employment related issues. They don't deal with the employment related papers. They are not promoting. They are not acting well. They are acting very rare. And then that is like causing trouble to other people. And then the committee is not served enough. So this is the cases which they created. So now you will see you're gonna react to a wrong leader. You're gonna accuse that the leader, African leader, you're gonna say they are not reasonable, they are not mature. Yeah, because they are not mature, they are mature. So this is not right for them. This is you can apply to those kind of people who are using such kind of forces to alter, to chase the employees away from social medias, because they are posting wrong things and wrong thing at the same times. This is associated to that one because they are very very unsafe people. So if you look right there, this is unsafety. So creating people fear, a lot of fears for the cities, a lot of fear people are fearing, such as climate change, such as a lot of things, floods and war, you know, which has deadly issues, related issues. So people at work, this is social media. People are mining food. People are working food. People are working and making money to make food easier and available. So I guess this is just a sense that we interact and feedbacks toward these cases here and those other regards. Otherwise, by me, Wine Hassan, this is it all.